What's up, YouTube? So, Mel Mandy here. Yes, I am here. It is actually me. I know it's been a minute, but I have a tip for you. And this is something that the regulars at my office didn't know, didn't pay attention to, haven't been teaching the new people, the new CCAs this. So I pull them to the side and I say, hey, when you get a bunch of packages or any packages, when you scan, there's a trick. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe to this channel. I don't know how long I'm going to be Mel Mandy because I'm trying to get a job at the county jail that I live in. I don't live in the county jail, but the county that I live in. Also, if that falls through, I'm trying to get a job at the Subaru dealership because, yeah. So, I don't know where this YouTube channel is going to go. I don't anticipate that I will continue working here. There's a lot. If you guys want more info, let me know in the comments. But anywho, subscribe to my channel anyways because I am really nice and you guys should like me. It's a good reason, right? Okay, so the trick with your scanner. So in training, they say scan it and put it in sections 1 through 6 and figure it out. You know what I mean? Like, and we all know that you write your 1 through 6 on there. The trucks in my area even have like 1 through 6 numbered on the wall, which kind of dumb. Like, I get why they do that, but literally I don't follow that when I load my truck. Sometimes he's like listening to stupid music or doing something silly. Hi! Okay, roll my window back up. That's my friend Grant. He's my favorite dude that works for the post office. So okay, so we number our boxes 1 through 6 and we put them in our truck and put them in order. Well, if you look further down under that, it shows the address and it also shows a sequence number. Well, the sequence number, what I am gathering, is like the box number. So there's 2 reasons why this is cool. So the first reason is because you can write the sequence number on the boxes and it will 99% of the time it's accurate. Very, like 2 or 3 times ever that I've ever done this in the last months and months and months, has the scanner shown a different address and a different sequence number than what is on the sticker on the box. I don't know how or why that happens. It's annoying, but every now and then that does happen. So keep that in mind. But 99% of the time it is accurate. So what you do is write the sequence number 1 through 800 or however many boxes are on the route. And then you write, like, you know, section 1, number 10, section 2, 112, section 2, 114, section 4, 400. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just pulling numbers out of my ass. So then you just put them in order and you know exactly which box is next. And this is very, very helpful for when you're mounted and also when you're carrying the packages, most especially when you're not familiar with the route, because you know exactly what order to put them in and you can put them in the exact order in your truck. What I personally do, because right now I'm restricted to mounted routes, which really sucks. I've gained like 15 pounds and it's annoying. But so what I do is I just put them in the back of the truck by sections, and then each section I pull to the front, like, and just set them in the tray in the exact order. But you know, that's what I do whenever it's mounted, and that way I can just grab the box. And then if there's more than one of the same house of the box, I'll put a star in the box that's in the front with me, so that I know I need to go to the back and get more boxes. Because I know there's a package look ahead feature, but my scanners here are super slow and it forever, and then I'll forget which one is next because you're literally thinking and looking at numbers nonstop. So it's hard for me to remember exactly which box is next. And it's better to know exactly what order they're in, because if you're just going by street, sometimes you know, you don't know which one is next. It's just doing boxes as a mailman is very confusing to me, but also I tend to overthink things, so sue me. But yes, use the sequence number. Another reason why this is a cool tool is because obviously you won't always have a box at the very end of your route, but you'll also be able to gauge how long or how many stops this route has. I don't know where in my post office I can find that information out, but I know that some of the mounted routes have like 800 stops and some of them have like 600 stops or 500 stops, and that helps me gauge how long the route is when I'm not familiar with it. So there's a couple of routes that are mounted in my office that are stupid long and ridiculous. Stupid long. I cannot do them in 8 hours. I understand that the people that are on them do them every single day, but there's no way. Like, I have to skip my lunch and like just push. You literally have to like floor it between mailboxes, and I don't think that's safe. I also think it's a waste of gas, and I also think it's stupid. You should not have to like race through the route to get it done. You know what I mean? Like, it's dumb. But the same with walking routes. Like, there's some walking routes that are stupid long, and you literally have to like run the whole route. You have no time. You can't take a lunch. You feel obligated to not take a lunch. The managers will tell you, still take a lunch. But if I took a lunch every single day, they would be pissed. It would take me even longer. And they've been really hounding us. I live in the Kentucky Indian district. They've been really hounding us on doing those papers that show if you're going to be over 8 hours. I hate that they use numbers for everything, but because I don't remember them. But there's a list, and I'll try to remember to put it here. There's a list where I think, what is it? Is it 4986? What is it? Tell me in the comments, because I forget. But it's the paper where if you think you're going to go over 8 hours, you have to write on there why. And they've been super strict about what we can put on this paper for a reason why we're going to go over 8. So I wanted to make sure you guys can take a screenshot or whatever. I'm just kidding. Take a screenshot or whatever, you know, crop it out or whatever so you don't see my stupid face. But that's from the union, and that says what we can put on there. So some of those I had no clue we could put on there. I wish they gave you this document in training so you know what to put on there. I have a really hard time being able to say I'm going to be longer today, because usually when they ask us, it's before we see our packages, it's before we case our route, it's before, you know, all these things. You know, we don't know what the weather, we kind of know what the weather's going to be like, but sometimes something crazy happens, you know, whatever. So read that. I don't know if it's still up there. Read it. So anyway, I hope you guys found this little video educational. I hope you liked it. I am a total goober, and you should follow me because, hi, I am Mandy, and I love you, and I appreciate you, and I better go into work now. So I hope you guys have a good day, and let me know down below if this helped you, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!